Are you a full-stack Java web developer? Do you feel overwhelmed by complex build tools and frameworks? Then maybe this video is for you. Welcome to the second episode of the Objectos Way in a single files video series, where we'll build a full Objectos Way application contained in a single file. And what is Objectos Way? It's a library for building web applications. By web applications, I mean full-stack web applications. But we do it the Objectos Way. The idea in this series is to incrementally improve on the previous iteration of the application. So let's see what it currently does. I have a make file here, and you can see the command here. So make here is just a command runner, and application started. If we go to localhost 8080, it responds with works and any other path with not found. Our home page, air quotes, is currently just a text response. Let's improve it so it responds with a proper HTML page. All of this code will be available on GitHub. So before we actually do it, let's do some cleaning up and commenting. Here's the handler of our home page. We wanted for it to send an HTML page as a response. In the other ways, meaning not in the Objectos way, we would create an HTML template. We would probably create a folder here and create an HTML file representing a template. In the Objectos way, we also create a HTML template, except it is a regular Java class. Cool, right? So in the render method, we write our HTML. I don't know, Objectos Way in a single file. This website is built entirely using Java. And I don't know, it's the Objectos Way. Cool, right? Now we have to tell the web server that whenever the request is for the homepage, it should return the HTML produced by this class. So we change our text response, and that's it. Right, let's run our modified application. And it responds with the HTML. To be sure, let's look at the source. It's actual HTML. And let's see the network. Response handlers, text HTML. We could have used curl or something, to actually check the response. But you get the point, I think. But you may ask, okay, that's cool and all, but what about things like variables, conditional rendering, loops, iteration? And that'll be the subject of the next video. I hope this sparked your interest in Objectos Way. I hope you learned something new. I hope you learned something interesting. And that's it. See you in the next video. Bye.